Happy Sunday, everyone. This is Cooking with Sister Linda. We're having some meatballs and gravy today. Yes, indeed. I'm going to make me some. I have a some that's already done. And so I guess you can see that I peeled some potatoes and made me some whipped potatoes. Homemade cream potatoes. I'm going to make some gravy to that. And here's my potatoes. These are the type of potatoes that you peel, boil, and then you whip them. Yes, indeed. No bag potatoes here. And my green beans. I got some bacon and onion cooking in there. It's going to be really good. So, you see my flour over there. I'm going to take that flour, put it in here, make me some gravy. I'll show y'all the process for that. So, this is going to be my process for cooking my homemade gravy. So, I left that grease. I emptied some off of there, but I did leave some in there. And my onions and stuff, I'm going to use the same skillet. And I'm going to sprinkle me about a cup of flour in here. You do yours according to how thick you want your flour. Your gravy. And so, I'm going to let that cook. This is the best way you can make gravy. And I have my cup of water here. So I'm not ready to put my water in. I want that flour to kind of like brown till it's almost sizzling. And it's almost there. See there? The thickness and the clumps are coming out of it. It's almost ready. I'm not going to season my gravy or anything like that. I don't think so. It depends on how it tastes once I put my water in it and then put my meat in it. Because I've already seasoned my meat and I don't want my meat to be salty or too much season. So now I'm pouring my water in. And then I'm just going to loosen my onions and flour up off the bottom of this skillet. Yes, indeed. See, it's thick, so I'm going to have to add some more water. So you just, do it according to how thick you want your gravy. That's a little too thick for me. So I'm probably going to add another cup. Yes, indeed. That's going to be delicious. See, it's getting its true color. Glory to God. It smells so good already. Okay, so it's still a little kind of thick. So I'm going to add some more water. And because I'm adding some more water, I'm just going to put a little seasoning in it. Because that water is going to make it taste bland. And I don't want it to taste bland or just plain. So I'm going to put a little pepper and a little seasoned salt in there. Not much. Seasoned salt. Where's my pepper? A little pepper. And why not add a little season oil? There. Accent seasoning, just a little. Yep. So I always have to transfer because it ends up being too much for me to put my meat and my gravy in. So I'm going to transfer my gravy to another skillet. Okay, so if you're wondering why I don't always just go on and start cooking my gravy in a bigger skillet from the beginning, is because I don't have a bigger iron skillet, and there's nothing like cooking gravy in a cast iron skillet. Y'all know about those cast iron skillets. So there you have it. My meatballs and gravy. So I'm gonna turn it down some more and let it simmer, and dinner is ready. Okay, here's dinner. We have meatballs and gravy, homemade cream potatoes covered with gravy. We have green beans with some bacon slices, and we have some garlic Texas toast. Hope you all enjoyed. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share to Cooking with Sister Linda. Thank you. Bye-bye. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share to Cooking with Sister Linda. Thank you. Bye-bye.